I know many of you are confused and thinking, is it really possible to become a professional footballer in this generation with so much competition? You worry that if I fail to become a professional footballer, my whole life will feel wasted without achieving my dream. Now don't get scared, but there are more than 250 million football players who dream of going pro, and only around 130,000 actually make it. That means only one player out of every 1,923 players will become a professional footballer. But don't take tension, because this generation has 6 huge advantages that most players are not even using. If you start using them seriously, you can beat 99% of your competition. And trust me, if you ignore these advantages, you will regret it later. Now, this advantage is too big, but 90% of viewers are not using it. The first advantage is football has become less competitive because most people are distracted. Tell me honestly, how many hours do you spend on your screen every day? Most people are scrolling reels for hours, watching anime, movies, web series, playing video games, eating junk food, and dreaming about becoming professional footballers. But when it's time to train, they start making excuses. I'm tired today. I'll start tomorrow. Really? Do you think you'll become professional like this? If you want to reach the top 1%, you must stop doing what 99% of people do. In the beginning, it will feel hard. Your mind will give excuses. You will feel like quitting. But don't listen. Keep training every day and stay disciplined even when nobody is watching you. When I was 12, I was exactly like you, scrolling for hours, playing video games, eating junk food, and skipping training. But at 14, I decided to change my life. I started waking up early, training daily, staying focused, and the results I got were insane. My mindset changed, my fitness improved, and I started feeling more confident on the field. Now listen carefully to what the world's toughest man, David Goggins, says.
So many people that have the ability and just refuse to get off that couch. And that's where I gained the advantage. It's so easy to be great nowadays, my friend, because most people are weak.
If you become disciplined and focused, you will already beat most of your competition. When others are sleeping, you will do workout. When others are scrolling, you will train. When others are eating junk food, you will eat nutritious food. This is how you enter the top 1%. Now, even if you train daily, what happens if you don't know what exactly to train? Here comes the second advantage. Football knowledge is free online, but very few people use it seriously. Some of you may not have joined an academy yet, or maybe you train alone and don't know what to do. But you have an advantage previous generations never had. Free football knowledge online. Search dribbling drills, ball control drills, shooting drills, or fitness drills on YouTube, and thousands of videos will appear. But instead of learning, most people waste time watching entertainment videos and scrolling reels. I will give you one example. 90% of viewers have already skipped this video. But if you're still watching, it means you truly have the hunger to become professional. Every piece of football knowledge you need is online. Just learn without getting distracted. Now you will use internet for taking knowledge of football development, but only collecting knowledge will not make you professional. You have to use it. The third advantage is just 2 focused hours every day can put you ahead of most teenagers. When people get motivated, they suddenly train for 4 or 5 hours. Then motivation disappears tomorrow, and they stop training completely. After some days, motivation comes back and the same cycle repeats. Instead of this, train for just 2 hours daily and stay consistent. Consistency matters more than motivation. Stop depending on motivation because you will not feel motivated every day. Build a habit where you tell yourself, no matter what happens, I will train football for 2 hours daily. Slowly increase your training time. These 2 focused hours alone will already make you better than most players because many people don't even want to leave their bed. And trust me, if you stay consistent, you will start seeing results within 30 days. I never lies. Your touch will improve, your stamina will improve, and your confidence on the ball will become better. Now, even if you will train daily and improve your game, but what will happen if you don't know how to play in real matches? Here comes the fourth advantage. Most players train hard but never study football. When I was younger, I used to think, how can watching matches improve my game? Maybe you think the same way right now. But I was completely wrong. You cannot learn everything alone. You must study great players. Imagine you know how to dribble and pass, but if you don't know when to dribble or when to pass, your game will look incomplete. And the best thing is, tournaments like the FIFA World Cup is going on. The best players of every country are playing. While watching matches, focus on players in your position. Analyze how they move, when they dribble, when they pass, how they create space, and how they keep position themselves. Watch football, enjoy football, but keep learning while watching because football IQ is just as important as football skills. Now you will analysis matches to improve your game. But what will happen if nobody sees your performance? This is where the fifth advantage comes in. Posting your football journey online can create opportunities. Previous generations didn't have social media like we have today. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram can help players get noticed. Record your matches and training sessions in good quality and upload them online. Scouts and coaches are watching social media too. If they like your game, they may invite you for trials. I have seen many players get opportunities just because they consistently uploaded football videos online. This advantage can completely change your life, especially if you live in a village or an area where football opportunities are limited. Now you know the first 5 advantages, but if you don't use the 6th one, everything becomes useless. The 6th advantage is staying focused for years. In this generation, most footballers quit too early because they don't get success quickly. That is why this becomes your biggest advantage. Go to every trial, take every opportunity. Maybe you fail once, maybe you fail 10 times, maybe you fail 50 times, but at 51st time, you will definitely get success. The only way you truly fail is when you quit. I know there is a naturally gifted player in your team too. There was one in my team as well. He was stronger, faster, and naturally talented, but he was distracted with junk food, scrolling, wasting time. Maybe today he plays better than everyone, but in the future, the hardest worker will win. Listen to what Cristiano Ronaldo says.
Talent without work is nothing.
Even if you are not naturally gifted, don't worry. Believe in yourself and keep training hard. The player who stays focused for years is the one who eventually becomes professional. So use these 6 advantages. Remember this: everything is hard when you are lazy, and everything is easy when you are crazy. Sacrifice comfort. Work for your dreams. Stay hard. Now you understand the 6 advantages that can make you better than 99% of footballers. But what happens if your daily lifestyle is still not like a professional footballer? Because without the right daily routine, becoming professional becomes almost impossible. Don't worry, the video on your screen will show you the perfect daily routine for a footballer. Click it and I'll see you there.